Hi guys, today we're gonna plant my Venus flytrap. But if you see a black one, that means it's dead. But we at least have green ones, and the green ones are good. This is like rocks we found at the store are shiny. We got different colors like dark green, light green, blue, light blue, white, and we got, what was it again?
Peat moss.
Pea moss. And we got the Terrarium. And we got the Venus flytraps. And we got discard water.
Distilled
Distilled water for the plant. And now we're gonna plant them. We're gonna lay.
That's good right there. No, I love it.
We're going to. And we're gonna put the moss. And grab some moss. And we're gonna keep doing it, and we're gonna show you when we're done. Now we are gonna open the Venus flytrap, and this is the Venus flytrap. I'm gonna zoom into it, and look at it. It might be a little bit moving since my dad is moving it, but some are black, if you can see. Those are dead. No.
Wake up, buddy.
You need meat. No, you need meat. Is that meat? Is that meat?
No.
You need meat, not dirt. Hey, you need meat.
Okay. It says to remove the black ones. So this one's, we're gonna remove this one.
Yep, we're removing the...
So, this one's two.
This is kind of disgusting. Oh my God, it's getting it. Oh, it's gonna be a little bit hard since we need to put all this and here.
A few moments later.
Guys, we put the rocks in. Now we're gonna put water. Discard water. Now we're gonna dunk it in. And here's the matches.
Here, more.
Okay, one more.
Shot glasses.
Maybe one more shot. Got it. And what should we name each one? Comment down below and let's see what the comments say. And I think you're gonna get a good name for the little Venus flytraps. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that red like button.